The following message is transmitted at the request of the Food and Drug Administration. At 8:36 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, multiple reports have come in and stated that the food from Burger King have been contaminated with an unknown virus. Symptoms of this virus are currently unknown at this time. However, FDA officials have confirmed that they will find the cause of this very soon. If you or one of your loved ones have this unknown virus, take them to the hospital immediately. At this time, all Burger King locations across the United States have been closed until this situation is over. Do not throw the food away into the garbage, as they need to be disposed in a proper manner. Instead, put them in the freezer to show civil authorities that you have disposed the food. If you have any food with you, put them in a bag in a proper way possible, and try and put them out of reach from children. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control and the United States Department of Health. At 2:35 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, hospitals across the United States has received a high number of patients infected with the unknown virus from the now contaminated food from Burger King. In addition, the symptoms of the unknown virus have now been confirmed by FDA officials. These symptoms include, which are, nausea, vomiting, high fever, chills, fear of water, difficulty breathing, sore throat, and in some cases, death. At this time, all Burger King places across the United States are still closed until the situation is over. If you or one of your loved ones are experiencing one of these symptoms, quickly take them to the hospital immediately, as hospitals are not allowing in any more patients. If your local hospital is full, go to your local doctor's office for assistance. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.